Red Balau T&G decking. Bangkirai, 2,345 pounds firms, Janka. Rich reddish-brown tones, Southeast Asian hardwood, concealed fastening. Full spec breakdown. Nominal 1x6. Actual dimensions, 3/4 inch thick, 5.5 inches wide. Tongue and groove profile. Boards interlock and fasten through the tongue, delivering a fastener-free deck surface. Available in 1 through 22-foot lengths. The 1x6 profile is suited for standard residential decks and tighter joist spacing requirements. Boards arrive surfaced, straight, and dimensionally consistent. Single profile for this SKU, tongue and groove. Surfaces machine-planed smooth. T&G joint, precision milled for consistent interlock. Pre-drilling is required. Red Balau's density demands pilot holes at all fastener locations. Concealed fastening through the tongue is compatible with standard hidden deck fastener systems. Exterior Hardwood Certified. Janka hardness, 2,345 pounds force. Well above Tigerwood and most tropical species outside of Ipe and Kumaru. Naturally resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage without chemical treatment. Excellent dimensional stability in exterior environments. Up to 50+ year service life. Ships direct to job site or terminal. Delivery options available nationwide. Volume orders and custom length configurations available. Contact our team for lead times and project quantities. Get a custom quote or shop online at ipewoods.com. Mill direct, no middleman markup.